Hello everyone, it's Naoki here. In this video, I want to show you how to put the image into the Adobe InDesign as well as introducing the unique feature of this particular software. Let's get started. How we transfer the image into the Adobe InDesign, it's simple. If you have the image, let's say I have the image on the desktop, this image. So how we put this image into this area is, so I'll delete this one first. Then I grab this image from the desktop and bring that image onto the space of the InDesign. So as soon as I click that InDesign, I can see the small preview like this. Then all you have to do is drag over as much as you want and release. Then you got image onto the InDesign. The next one is how we just relocate this image. It simply just comes on the sidebar and the top tool is called the selection tool and select the image, then move. Okay, then another trick of the InDesign is if you want to show this image, but you have something to display around here. So that simply this image is too big. So I want show this image only around here. In that case, you reduce the window. Then if you hover over the cursor, you can see this target icon on the center. You click that, then move the image. As soon as you click this target icon, you can see this original size of this image. Then also you can resize. Make this girl bigger. Then next thing I want to show you is how we resize this window. I already showed you how to resize the image inside of the window, but what I'm trying to do is how we resize this window itself. So like Illustrator and Photoshop, if I hold Shift and resize this window, what happened is the window size has been changed, but the image is still there as what it was. This is not what I want. What I want is I want to resize the window itself. How we do that is instead of just hold Shift, this time hold Shift and Command. Hold Shift and Control for Windows. So if I select Window and hold Shift and Command, then resize. Then it comes to the window and image together. Okay, lastly, I want to show you is how we apply the image into the unique shape like this. If you come to the sidebar again, and it's a kind of middle of the sidebar, it says Frame Tool. If you click and hold Frame Tool, you can see the multiple options here. Okay, this time I select Ellipse tool or Polygon tool. If I selected the Polygon tool and drag over and create this polygon, then I bring this image onto this Polygon tool. Okay, wow, it's turned to the black. That's because the original size of the image was big. So hover over and get this target icon and click, and I don't see the size because it's really big. So if I just make it smaller, see, this is the size of the image. So all I have to do is hold Shift and reduce. Then I come back to 100%. Then I got it. Okay, so if you want to just make even smaller, hold Shift, then smaller. Then after that, with the selection tool, then move. If we want to make this window bigger, hold Shift command and make it big. So this is how to put the image into the Adobe InDesign. Thanks for watching. See you next time.